In this video, we're going to be solving literal equations. In 1, it says solve each equation for t. Do not simplify numerically in part A, and notice the similarity in the methods. So in A, we have 16 is equal to 45t plus 87 divided by 63. So the first thing that we're going to do is multiply both sides by 63. So I get 63 times 16 is equal to 45t plus 87. And now I'm going to subtract 87 from both sides. So I get 63 times 16 minus 87 is equal to 45t. And now we're going to divide both sides by 45. And I get t is equal to 63 times 16 minus 87 divided by 45. In B, we have x is equal to a times t plus b divided by c. And we're going to go through the same steps that we went through in A to solve this equation. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by c. So we're going to have x times c is equal to at plus b. And now I'm going to subtract b from both sides, and I get xc minus b is equal to at. And now I'm going to divide both sides by a. So I get t is equal to xc minus b divided by a. In 2, it says solve each equation for v. Do not simplify numerically in part A. Notice the similarity in the methods. In A, we have 16 is equal to 39 divided by 18v minus 11. And the first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by 18v minus 11. So I get 16 times 18v minus 11 is equal to 39. And now I'm going to distribute the 16 through the parentheses. So I have 16 times 18v minus 16 times 11 is equal to 39. And now I'm going to add 16 times 11 to both sides. So I have 16 times 18v is equal to 39 plus 16 times 11. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 16 times 18. So I'm going to get v is equal to 39 plus 16 times 11 divided by 16 times 18. And in B, we have A is equal to 4r divided by kv minus t. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by kv minus t. So we have A times kv minus t is equal to 4r. And now I'm going to distribute my a through the parentheses, and I have a kv minus at is equal to 4r. And now I'm going to add at to both sides. So I have a kv is equal to 4r plus at. And now I'm going to divide both sides by ak. So I have v is equal to 4r plus at divided by ak. And in 3, we have solve for x. And we have 97 is equal to 52x divided by 52 plus x. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by 52 plus x. So I have 97 times 52 plus x is equal to 52x. And now I'm going to distribute the 97 through the parentheses, and I get 97 times 52 plus 97x is equal to 52x. And now I'm going to subtract 97x from both sides, so I get 97 times 52 is equal to 52x minus 97x. And now I'm going to factor out an x on the right side of the equation. So I have 97 times 52 is equal to x times 52 minus 97. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 52 minus 97, and I get x is equal to 97 times 52 divided by 52 minus 97. In 4, we have solve for f1, and we have f is equal to f1 times f2 divided by f1 plus f2. And the first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by f1 plus f2. So I have f times f1 plus f2 is equal to f1 f2. And now I'm going to multiply my f through the parentheses, and I get f times f1 plus f times f2 is equal to f1 f2. And now I'm going to subtract f times f1 from both sides. So I have f times f2 is equal to f1 f2 minus f times f1. And now I'm going to factor in f1 from the right side of the equation. So I have f times f2 is equal to f1 times f2 minus f. And now we're going to divide both sides by f2 minus f. So we have f1 is equal to f times f2 divided by f2 minus f. And that's our video on solving literal equations.